Hi friends, now we are going to discuss about the decision making in Java programming language. If you want to make any decision, we use following statement in Java programming language. First one is if statement, simple if statement. Second one is if else statement. Third one is multiple if statements. Fourth one is nested if conditions. Fifth one is switch case statements. So let's see how it's working, how to use this Java programming language. First one is simple if statement. If you want to make any simple decision, we use simple if statement. Here we use only one if condition. Look at this. This is a syntax for simple if statement. If Boolean expression, then a statement. This is simple. Let's see an example. Before the example, we can understand easily from this diagram. This is for simple condition. If this condition is true, this code will be output. Otherwise, it will stop. Okay. Then see an example. This is simple example. If we mention that x equal to 10, if x less than 20, this is the output. Simple. That's all. Here x is 10, so 20 is less than 10 is less than 20. So this is the output. For an example, age equal to 20. If age less than 50, system output is this is elder or younger. It's up to our condition, Boolean expression. This is a simple one. Here only one gate, one way. Okay, then I hope you understand. So then go to the if else statement. If else statement. If you want to make two decisions, if you use this if else statement, just see if this is statement is if this is condition is true, do this one, otherwise else do this one. Okay, this is a syntax for simple if else condition. This is statement if Boolean expression, first expression. This is a statement for the true, first one. This is for others. If the Boolean expression is true, it will be the output. Otherwise, it will be the output. This is simple if else statement. Just see an example. This is a diagram for if else condition. This is condition. If this condition is true, it will be the output. This is the code for the true statement. Otherwise, it will be the output. It's true. If it is true, this is the output. Otherwise, this is the output. And go to the example. Here we mention here x equal to 30. If the Boolean expression is x less than 20, that means it will check this statement. That means 30 is 30 is less than or equal 20. So here we mention that 30, it will check is not less than or but 20. X is less than or 20. That means here 30 is less than 20. Okay, so 30 less than 20. This is false. So it's go to this statement. This is output. If x is equal to 15, it will check 50 is less than 20 or not. Yeah, 50 is less than 20. So it will be the output. But here x is 30, it will check x is 30 is less than or 20, less than, not less than, greater than 20. So else, this condition. So this is 30 not less than 20, so this is not true, it will be the output. Okay, this is simple if else statement. Then we have to go if else if you want to make so many conditions, we use if else statement. First we mention a condition, if is it true, this is the output, otherwise else. Go to the second boolean expression. Earlier time we used that if one condition is true or fail, if it's true that output, if it fail go to the next one. But here the same like that concept, if the first one is false, go to the next one to check the next expression. If here we use another if condition instead about next one. If is it true, it's the output, otherwise if it's false go to the next if condition. If it's also false go to the next if condition or else. It's up to our conditions. This is syntax for if else statement, multiple if conditions. If first expression, if is it true, this is the output. If it's false, go to the next expression, check it. If it is true, this is the output. If it is false, this is the output. It's go to the next if condition. So if it is true, this is the output. If it false, it's go to the last else condition. Okay, let's see an interesting example. Okay, here x is equal to 30. I want to tell another thing. Here x equal to 30, right? So here we use only one equal. That means we initialize this x. Int x equal to 30. Declaration initialization. We initialize. When we initializing a variable, we use one equal. If we want to express something in condition like this x, here boolean expression, right? If you want to express this condition, if like this condition, if we use double equals, okay, in Java. If x double equal 10, this is a boolean expression here, right? Okay, let's come out the point. If is 10, if x equal to 10, this is the output. Okay, just see, x equal to 30, right? It will check 13 equal to 10, no, not. So this is false. Go to the false statement to check this one. 30 is not equal to 20 or not. If it is equal, this is the output. Here is not equal. So go to the false condition. It check this is next if statement. So next one is if x 30 is equal to 30. This is true, it will be the output. Otherwise it go to the last else statement. I hope you understand. If x equal to 40, it will check 40 equal to 10 or not. So go to this condition. It will check 40 equal to or not to 20, not equal. Go to the third one. If 30 is equal to or not 40, not. Go to the last one. This is an output. Okay, this is for multiple if condition. Then you have nested if statement. Nested if else meaning it will check. Here we use two if conditions. If those if condition is correct, it will be the output. Those two should be correct. That's end gate, like end statement, end logical operation. It's like an end logical operation. It's that mean if first operation, first boolean operation expression and the second boolean expression, if both are correct, it will be the output. Okay, this is like this. Okay, this is first boolean expression, second boolean expression, then the output. I show an example. Listen, here we x equal to 30, y is equal to 10. Here we mention the nested if condition. That means if x equal to 30 and if y is equal to 10, only if it's both are correct, this is the output. Otherwise it won't be a display. Okay, so this is for that one. It will check if x equal to 40, y is equal to 10, it won't be output. Both, if first it check. For an example, we mentioned that int age greater than 0. Okay, int age equal to 10. If the both conditions are possible, only the output will come. We mentioned that age is we mentioned that age is greater than 5, but if the second condition is 4, it won't be output. Okay, so you should consider the both things. Then I hope you understand those things. So we studied about simple if condition, if else condition, multiple if condition, nested if conditions. Then we move on to the switch statements. After this if condition, we study about switch statement. Why we need switch statement? Because when we making a decisions, if we need more conditions, we can't use if condition because it's difficult to understand, difficult to code. But if we use switch statement rather than if conditions, multiple if condition, it's very easy to code and understand. Listen, this is the syntax for switch statement. Switch expression case value. What is that? Here, like that if condition, we use expression here. First we select one is switch condition. We express our expression, boolean expression or something. We check the first value. If it is true, this is the output. Otherwise break and go to the next one and check this value. If this value is equal to that expression, this is the output. Otherwise go to break it and check the condition with others one and go to the next one. If all conditions are failed, go to default, and that means go to the default condition. Okay, earlier all conditions are failed, go to the default condition. Here if we want, the break is important. If you miss this break here, both two values case are considered the same output. Okay, so if we need separate outputs for case value 1, 2, 3, we need statement. If it's only is it possible, only this answer. Otherwise it will display it will consider if the break is not there, this output will compiler consider the case value and case value 1 and value 2 is the same. So if you need a separate statement, separate answer, we use break it. We should break each cases. Okay, I saw an example for switch case. Before that, this is a diagram for switch. So here we mentioned this is the expression case 1, case 2, case 3. Otherwise the whole case are not satisfied, it's go to the default condition. Okay, then see an example is better. Okay, here we mentioned that char grade equal to C. We mentioned that grade here is C equal to C. Okay, let's see. Switch is gonna check about the grade. First it check case A, if the grade A equal to A or not. So we know that C not equal to A, so it's not true. So go to the next one, break. But between the case B and case C, no break mentioned here, right? So if the char grade equal to C, it's equal to C, right? So char C is equal to C. Well done. If the char is equal to B, also the same answer, because we consider that we quote that please consider B and C as the same output. So if char grade equal to B or C, but the same answer will come. Okay, if the char grade is equal to A, this is output. Otherwise B or C with the input, This is the output. Well done. Okay, but here we mentioned the char grade equal to C, so the output is well done. Okay, then we have to see another one. Case D, if the char grade is equal to D, this is the output. Then if the case F equal to, this is the output. Otherwise, this is the default value. For an example, if in here we mentioned that A, B, C, D, F, right? If we input char grade is equal to G, so it will first check A is equal to G or not equal. A is equal, B is equal to G or not, right? This is also not equal to G. So it will check one by one. Yeah, each case, no, G not equal to D, G not equal to F. Then it's considered default. It's go both cases are not equal to that value, so it's considered the default value. That means invalid grade. So we use this type of things. So no need to those things, right? Normally we consider A to F, right? So if you put G or something whatever instead of A to F, it will consider the invalid grade. So it's easier than Java. Sorry, if condition. Okay, nested if or something. So because it's separately, if we need a separate statement, we use case condition, and it's easy to code, easy to understand rather than if condition. Okay guys, I hope you understand. So we just discussed about basics, simple if condition, if else condition, multiple if condition, nested if condition, and switch case statements. So I hope you understand. Okay, thank you for listening. Bye.